Hey, it's Scott Brown with Connie and Dick's Service Center with a tech tip on your tires. Don't let your tires go too far. This one here definitely went too far, should have been replaced. But if you let it go way too far, this is what can happen. Something really bad can happen. And this car here is a 2013 Chevrolet Volt, so it's an extended range electric vehicle. And this one had a blowout and it took out all the wiring here for the high voltage battery charger. Caused a lot of wiring damage here, but fortunately it didn't take out any of the coolant pipes and coolant pumps and stuff down here. It did take out all the fender wells. So this customer's got, quite an extensive repair here, but it could have been avoided if the tires had been replaced before their time. So I hope you found this interesting, and thanks for watching.